In this video, I want to share with you the step-by-step blueprint on how I made my first dollar as an affiliate marketer without actually buying a course, and how you can replicate my process and get the same result that I got. So when I started affiliate marketing, I didn't have the money to buy a course, and I made some research and I developed a system for myself that made me make my first dollar as an affiliate marketer. This has not only worked for me, it has also worked for my students, it has also worked for other people that I teach it. So if this is your first time seeing my video, my name is Emmanuel Eze. I'm an affiliate marketer consultant. I have studied affiliate marketer, generate models and closing sales. And I have studied a lot as an affiliate marketer. So when I figure out what was for me, I feel free to share it with other affiliate marketers through my video content creation. So this video is divided into 3 parts. The first part, how to get your first 5 customers in a week. The second part, how to convert them into paying customers. The third part, how to handle any sales objection if they have any. So without any further delay, we are going to start with the first part. How to get your first 5 customers. Now this is what I wanted to do. Now if you are watching this video, I assume that you have bought an affiliate marketing course, or you have started affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is just simply promoting other people's products and earn commission for it. So the first thing you need to do is that create a profile, create an account on any social media platform, be it Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or anywhere. But the one I prefer is Twitter. What I did was, when I started, I created a Twitter account. Then I put a bio on it. Then when I put a bio on it, I made some posts. Now this is what I did. I go to some of the creators that I think have my target audience and comment on their posts daily. Now when you're commenting on people's posts, please don't comment for the author, comment for the audience that did that post. When someone drop a post, don't comment something like, that is awesome, that is nice, that is great, I love this. No, you are commenting for the author, and people won't pay attention to you. So when you are commenting on people's posts, add value to what the person have just said. Add value to the audience that are coming to the comment section to do something. And when you add value to the post, your target audience, when they see that post, they will seem interested to you, and they want to click your profile and find more about you, or they will like your comment or comment on it. So this is what I do. I comment on big creators that have my target audience. Now if you are selling a weight loss, there is no need selling to financial advisors. If you are selling to how to lose weight, there is no need selling to people that want to make money online. If you are selling how to make money online, there is no need selling to wrestlers. So you must check the content creators. If you must check the big creators that you think that have your target audience. Now if you are selling to how to avoid pregnancy injury, you know that doctors will probably may have your target audience. If you are selling a product of how to lose weight, you know that gym owners will probably have your target audience. If you are selling a product of how to make money online, you know that financial advisors will probably have your target audience. So you must comment on people's posts that have your target audience. So when you drop that variable comment on their post. Now this is what I do. When the person likes my post, or the person commented on my post, or they go to my profile and commented my post or like my post, I reach out to them. Using what I call the ACA framework. Mind you, the people must like your comment, or comment on your comment, or like your main post that you post on your profile, or comment on your post. When they comment, you reach out to them using what I call the ACA framework. Then the first A, you acknowledge them. You acknowledge them for liking your post. You acknowledge them for commenting on your post. You may say something like, great, I saw that you commented on my post, thank you very much. I saw that you like my post, thank you very much. You acknowledge them for liking your post, and they see you go to their profile and check out what they are doing, and you compliment them on the stuff that they are doing. Yo, great, I saw you have a baby, that is very great. I saw you just started a gym owner today, that is very great. I saw you did this, that is very great. I saw you just bought a course, that is very great. You compliment them, you just take a route at their profile and compliment them on the stuff they are doing. After you must have complimented them on the stuff they are doing, you use the last A, ask question concerning what your product is all about. If you are selling a product of how to make money online, you say, oh, so are you looking for a way to start making money online? So are you looking for a way to lose more weight? So are you looking for a way to avoid injury during childbirth? So are you looking for a way to avoid obesity after childbirth? You ask them this simple question, and they will say something like, oh yeah, I'm interested. Yeah, I'm interested, I want. So not all of them will say that they are interested. Not all of them that they say that they are interested. Now, how guaranteed is this? Remember, the people you commented on their posts are big creators that have your target audience. So anybody that commented on your post or like your post is your target audience, because they are the audience of those big creators, so they are automatically your target audience. So don't be afraid. Will they be interested? Yeah, they will be interested. They are your target audience. So after most of them have seemed interested in what you are selling, then you send them to your WhatsApp group. What I do is that when they say when they say that they are interested, what I do is that I said, okay, I want to tell you more about what I have that can help you. I give them a link, or I give them a number to contact me on my WhatsApp group. So when they contact me on my WhatsApp group, which now leads us to step 2. You use the closer framework. You convert them into paying customers, because that is the most important one. You convert them into paying customers. Now, how do you convert them into paying customers? You use what I call the closer framework to convert them into paying customers. With this closer framework, you can use it to sell anything to anyone. C, clarify their pain. L, label them on their pain. O, overview their past experience. S, sell them the vacation. E, you explain where they are concerned. And R, you reinforce the decision that they have just made to let them know that they made the right decision. Now let me explain this one by one. See, you clarify the pain and the struggle. You ask them, okay, John, what are your struggles? What are the things that you are trying to achieve? You ask them the struggle to make sure that they are your right target audience. When they tell you your struggles, you label them on their what I have just said. You say, okay, I got to John. It sounds like you are struggling in this and you want to get here, and the only thing stopping you is that you don't have this in the middle. And they say, yes, that is what I'm struggling with. Then use that is L, you have labeled them on their problem. Then use the O and overview their past experience. You say, okay, John, what have you done before to solve this particular issue? What have you done before to make money online? What have you done before to lose weight? What have you done before to avoid obesity? You ask them this question, and they will start telling you their past experience. They will start telling you what they have done before that didn't work for them. So after they have told you what they have done before that didn't work for them, ask them more questions. So why do you like about it? When they tell you what I like about it, you tell them how your product is better than that. So what do you hate about it? When they tell you what they hate about it, you tell them why your product is better than that. You ask them so many questions about it so that you'll be able to build report. The reason we are asking this question is to build relationship with them, because this is the first time we are meeting. So if we don't build this rapport, they are not going to like us and trust us. So after you must have asked these so many questions and you have found out what they are struggling with, you say, John, based on your struggle and the things you have done in the past that didn't work for you, there is something that I have for you. I think you're gonna love it. Should I spend the next 10 minutes to explain how it will help you? They say, yeah, explain it. Then that is when you use the S. You say them the vacation. Then you reveal to them how your product can work for them. Now you already know the product you are selling. You know how you can help your customer. Go ahead and reveal to them how it can help. You can help them achieve their goal. So now you have revealed them to them. When selling the vacation, please sell the experience and don't say the prices. Now what do I mean by this? If you don't say the price ticket, don't say that this is a 6 hours flight, we have 4 chairs in the plane, this is a 6 videos minute, we have 6 minutes video, we have audio book, we have ebook, we have 5 minutes training, we have 10 minutes training. No, this is not what the prospect needs. What the prospect needs is their result. So when you explain the prices of this product that you have 6 minute videos, you are telling them how difficult your product is. Yeah, even though you have these 6 minute videos, don't go ahead to review them. You are telling them how difficult your product is. What you should do is that you say them the vacation, what they are going to experience after they must bought your product. You might say something like, John, after you buy this product, you will lose 5 pounds in a week. Even though that is not possible, I'm just saying. John, after you must have buy this product, you start making money that day that you bought it. Even though it's not possible, I'm just saying. So you will say them the vacation. You say them that the things that they are going to experience after they must have bought your product. John, after you bought this product, you are going to lose your obesity. This experience that they are going to experience after they must bought your product. You say them the experience. Then after you must have said them the experience and they still haven't consigned, then you use the E to explain the You use the E to explain where they are concerned, which now leads us to step 3 of this video. handling their sales objection. In the E, you explain where they are concerned. When they say something like, I don't think this can work for me, I have bought this in the past and it didn't work for me, then you use the AA framework to explain where they are concerned. The first A, you acknowledge. The second A, you associate. The third A, you ask. Now mind you, these things I learned it from my Samosi. The closer framework I learned it from my Samosi. The AA framework I learned it from my Samosi, and I have implemented it in my stuff. It worked for me and it has worked for my student. So if Samosi can don't use it and it work for him, it has worked for me, it has worked for my student. It's not different for you. So what you use, you use the AA framework to acknowledge what they have just said. I have just bought this course before and it didn't work for me. You acknowledge what they have just said. Yes, you have every right to say that this course won't work for you. You associate with something. In fact, this is this is what our best customers say that when they want to sign up. So what made you think that this won't work for you? So you use, I don't think I'm going to make money after buying your product. Yes, you have every right to say that you won't make money after buying my product because you haven't used this product before. In fact, this is my belief. Was my doubt when I was trying to make money online, because I was doubting that this won't work for me. So what made you think that you will not make money online after they buy this product? They use the AA framework to explain where they are concerned. When you have handled this objection and it's time for them to make the payment, and after they have made the payment, you reinforce the decision they have just made. You reinforce the decision they have just made. You send them the course. If they send the money, you purchase the course for them immediately. Anything that you have to do to reinforce the decision they have just made, to let them know that they have just made the right decision. Go ahead and do it. You can do so many things. You know how your process is. Go ahead and do it. Act very fast to get them to get them started, so that they will be sure that they have just made the right decision. So this is how I made my first dollar in affiliate marketing without actually buying a course. And you can follow this video step-by-step guide. You can actually make your first dollar as an affiliate marketer without buying a single course.